Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to solve a very complex questions. Okay, master the ultimate formula combination. So here will be using the row, indirect, mid, offset, exact, upper, lower. Okay, and these are the function we are going to use to have a one single output, right? So let's start solving the questions. Okay, so in the question number one, it says that let's get the nth last value from the list. For example, in I1 I have written here 6, which means the 6, okay, whatever is the from the last, right? To get the nth last from the last, from the bottom, when you will go the sixth position number I would like to have. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 6 is 91, so 91 I would like to have, for example, in I4. Okay, so let's start writing the uh, formula. So right here count a. Okay, using this we have counted the value, right? Not counted the value, yes, counted the value, and minus this one, so 14. So now let's look here what we have done. We have extracted out the row number. So the row number is 15. When you will exclude the header, then it will be your 15, but as of now it is coming 14. So what we can do, we can simply do plus 1. That's it. Okay, okay, and after that use here index. Okay, in this range I would like to have the data. The row number is stored in this function and the column number will be your 1, and when you will press enter you will be having 91. Now when you will write here any position, or for example I would like to have the second position 87, so 87 is here. When you will go from bottom to top, it is 87, right? And that's how actually we have extracted out the data. All right, now let's go to the question number 2. In the question number 2, here the very unique name that which I have written in A2. So here I have written Jai Shri Sham, Jai Shri Khadu Sham ji, and Hare Ke Sahare Ki ji, right? So this is what actually I have written. And okay, from this the name, what from this sentence actually what I would like to have, the nth word from the sentence. For example, it says here 9. I would like to have the ninth word from this sentence in D2. What I can do, I can simply write the function substitute. Okay, put one space, select the cell, and old text will be your obviously space, and I would like to repeat the text how many times? 100 times, for example. After that, put one more formula mid, go in the last, and just multiply this nth value, the nth value which I have written in D1, multiply by 100, then again 100. What we can do, we can simply put here trim. This is the ninth word of the sentence. So right here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So Hare is coming on ninth. Okay, ninth, on the ninth position. That's what actually we have extracted. For example, if I will write here 1, so it says as J, right? 2 and 3. Okay, something like that. So this function will help us to have the nth word up from the sentence, right? So nth value from the bottom line, I mean from the nth value from the bottom, we have solved using the index, and the question number 2, nth word from the sentence, we have solved using substitute, mid, and trim, right? Let's move to the question number 3. In the question number 3, it says do the sum of bottom 3 values. Okay, for when you will go from the bottom, so 1 2 3. Okay, I would like to do the sum in E4, okay, of only bottom 3 values, right? So equal to offset first, reference rows will be your simple this one, minus 3, column will be your 0, height will be your 3, and width will be your 1. Okay, you will be having 1 1 4 1 2 2 1 4 0. These are the 3 bottom values we have got using the offset function. Now you just need to put the sum. Once you will do this, you will have your output. Okay, you look. So this is the sum of the value of bottom 3 values. Okay, 376 and 376. I hope this is something which is very very clear. The question number 2 is really typical difficult, I would say. So it says wherever in A1 what I have my name Akash. Okay, few letter is in capital and few are in small. So here we need to do the vice versa. Whatever the character, whatever the letters are in small, I would like to convert them into the upper. Okay, whatever the letter, whatever the are the letters I do have as of now in A1 as a small, I would like to convert that in the upper. And similarly for if any letter I have in A1 as a small, I would like to in as a upper in capital, I would like to convert that into the small. That's what actually I need to do. So here just look the formula very careful. Okay, when we need to target the every letter, so we have to use the very common formula row and indirect. Okay, this will help us, okay, to get the positions. We have got the position. Now let's target the letter. Okay, letter of these positions. Okay, after that use, just copy this. Okay, use exact and upper, paste the formula, just copy it, exact. We are just comparing it. If any letter is capital, so it will return as true and false. Okay, it says everything is true. How this can be? No, this is upper. All right, exact. For example, I am writing as upper. Something is not good. Wait. Row indirect length. Right. We have targeted the every letter now. After that, we just need to we need to convert everything in upper. For example, yes, everything is on upper. When we will convert into the lower, it will just copy it and exact. Now let's put here upper. Now we are comparing true and false, right? Just put here, and after that just copy. If anything I do have as true which means the upper, I would like to convert that in small. Paste that formula, paste this only mid one, mid function, copy it and paste in lower, and else just everything should be go in upper. That's it. Put enter. Okay, now text to join. Okay, text to join, and look, in A1 A is capital, but in D1 I do have A as a small, but second A which is in small in A1, and that is something I have as a capital in D1. Okay, vice versa things I have done. Okay, this is the function that you guys should read it out. Okay, and this function is just you need to understand the logic only. Okay, just understand the logic of row and indirect. Okay, do let me know in the comment box if you want clear and the deep, the understanding of row and indirect. Okay, now let's move to the question number 5. In the question number 5, it says get the value that appears after the last blank cell. For example, here is the last blank cell. I would like to have the value of 75. How I can do that? How I can do that? Okay, simple, count blank. Sorry, count blank from the range. How many blank? 4 blanks, right? So what I can do simple as well. If is blank 1, else it should be like as A, else it should be same. Enter. Okay, look. Okay, everything I am having as this one. And after that, what I would like to have here, I would like to have it. I just need to count the A. What we can do, we can see, we can also, I'll let you know, but I'm trying to solving the one single formula. If it can be obviously. Let's start doing it. If is blank A2, what we can do simple A1, A1, A1. All right. So simple do one thing. If this is blank, if this is blank, what we can do? We can write here as row, simple, row A1. Serial number we are, else the same number, else blank. That's it. It says 5, 8, 12, and 18. So now get the maximum number of it, maximum number from the list. Every number will be unique in this column, right? And after that, what you can do, you can simply get the position, get the row number. Okay, get the row number. So it is coming on the row number of 19. Now just put plus one. The now row number we have got, okay, where the 75 is stored, I mean in A20. So right here index, okay, just select it. Row number is this, great, and column will be your 0 and enter. So 75 is the value which is coming after the last blank cell. For example, I am writing here DD and after that 23. Okay, 23. I also need to just drag the formula first. Okay, once you have done, it is coming as 23. Look, so this function will help you to get the value, okay, of the last from after the last blank cell from the list. Okay, so I hope guys you have understood the logic, and I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. So thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot.